Hi, I am Alejandra Anaya from Alejandra Makeup Studio. Today, I am presenting a half Catrina look in remembrance of the Day of the Dead, a Mexican celebration which renders a tribute to the deceased on November 1st and 2nd. This is a collaboration with Visit Kansas City, Kansas, where you can find tourist information about our beautiful sunflower estate. Don't forget to go to visitkansascitykansas.com for your next adventure. This is a little bit of our history. The Teotihuacan people used to make an offering in honor of the deceased almost all the time, practicing tired but intense rituals with the purpose that the deceased arrived safely at one of the four paradises according to their way of death, containing food, copal, vessels, knives, jade stones, and seeds. They use the Xoloscuintles dogs to help them to be the light in the passage through the underworld and not to get lost without first reaching paradise, sacrificing and burying them together with the deceased person. The people of Teotihuacan separated the deceased according to their age. Sector 1, children. Sector 2, young adult. Sector 3, adult. And Sector 4, the elderly. If you want to see the list of products and recreate this look, follow me on Facebook, Alejandra Makeup, Instagram, Alejandra Makeup, and alejandramakeup.com. Thank you for watching.